In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses in Google Forms. Whether you're looking to manage your data more efficiently or simply tidy up your form responses, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can do this quickly and with minimal fuss. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to log in to Google Forms. Pull up your preferred web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Then sign in using your Google account credentials. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one to access Google Forms. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Forms homepage, which showcases your list of existing forms. The next step is to select the form you want to work with. Browse through your list of forms until you find the one whose responses you wish to delete. Click on the form title or thumbnail to open and view it in detail. It's crucial to ensure you're working on the correct form, especially if you handle multiple forms for different projects or purposes. Now, with your form open, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on the Responses tab. This section is where all of your collected data resides. It's the central hub for viewing and managing responses to your form. By navigating to Responses, you can see a summary of all submissions, as well as delve into individual responses if needed. Once you're in the Responses section, you'll want to click on Individual. This option allows you to view each respondent's entries one by one, providing a detailed look at how each participant has answered your form. This is particularly useful if you only need to delete specific responses rather than all the data received. With the individual responses displayed, scroll through and select the response you want to delete. Look for the Delete Response icon, which usually appears as a trash bin or similar illustration. This icon is your cue to proceed with removing the response from your form data. Clicking on this icon will prompt the system to verify your selection, ensuring no accidental deletions occur. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking on Yes in the confirmation dialog box. This step ensures that you're absolutely sure about deleting the selected response, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you confirm, the response will be removed from your records, and you can continue managing your data as needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively delete responses from your Google Forms. This process helps keep your data organized and ensures that only the information you need remains. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.